Dear loved one, today I am going to share importance of good health for all of us at this age. We all wanted to have a long life, and I have something to share with you regarding criticality of age between 70 and 79. We are all intelligent. We know the value of good health. Health is wealth, and we all acknowledge up to now that precaution is better than cure. In order to do so, we will start preparing ourselves right from the 60 for that crucial period. This thing came to my notice when I have read an article. One of the Israeli scholars have done some study, and he said between 70 and 79, surprisingly, people got ill. They have a lot of aging issues, and their organ periodically not functioning so well as it used to be earlier. And then something good also, that the moment you pass 79, between 80 and 90, there will be no problem. You will be as good as you were in 60 to 69 year. So let us prepare ourselves to for that period. I have 11 tips which can help us to overcome that problem at that age, because we will build our system in such a manner so that it can automatically take care of during that period. First and the foremost is that you should all have minimum 2 to 2.5 liter water per day, and the first glass of water should be when you get up. It is a must. Second, when you do exercise, you take some small water during that exercise. And the last one is when you go to bed. We all know that at our age we have to go for urination in the night, but it is the requirement. Second is a ball of dalia. We have been eating this since our childhood. We should continue now also. It's good. Third is milk. Milk is known as a white blood, and it is good for human body. The recommended daily intake of dairy product would be 300 grams. An egg. Egg is good for us. The body absorption rate of egg protein is as high as 98%. So you can see it's good. Apple. We all know apple a day keeps a doctor away. Onion. The onion has a very high nutritional value and has many functions, including helping us to lower our blood sugar, lower cholesterol. It kills bacteria, prevent colds, and it supplement calcium and bones. Eat onion at least 3 to 4 times a week. If you're non-veg, you can have fish, but no meat. Gentle walking. You should start doing some activity every day. You all know that we have done PT exercises during school's days, and after that also you start doing that, or you start gently walking within your house and stretches to the limit of 30 minutes. If you can do it outside, fine. If you cannot, do it in the house. A hobby. You can develop a hobby, whatever you like: singing, painting, playing chess, or traveling. This broaden the horizon of interest for people at our age, and you will love and cherish the life. The last two are very important for all of us. Number 10 is good mood. Old people should maintain good emotions as they are extremely important to their health. Common chronic disease which affect us are closely related to negative emotions of the people at our age. You will find that lot of medical issue are there because of this emotional setback, negative thinking, and it suddenly cause a lot of time a heart attack. Then comes a bad temper, which leads to high blood pressure, and because of that, at times you have heart failure. Then negative emotions such as anger, anxiety, and grief can cause blood sugar level to rise, causing metabolic disorder in the body, and that resulting into the whole mood which will reflect on your wife and the people living around you. You should avoid that. और जो नंबर 11 है वो है आपको आज से वादा करना है कि यू विल प्रैक्टिस the principle of unconditional love. To start with, first you start loving yourself. Then I know we all love our wife, but at this age, because of certain factor, you need to rework on yourself, and your wife need to work on herself to accommodate each other and do love each other unconditionally. If small mistakes have happened, ignore that. And remember those good old days when you were together, when you have fun time, when you have that affection. Try and create those small moments every day and ignore each other fault. If someone had something, ignore it. If you have said something, you ignore it. If she has said something, she should ignore you, or vice versa. Because अंत में रियलिटी यही है दोस्तों कि हम दोनों ही होंगे, और उसके लिए मैंने आपको वो मोमेंट याद दिलाने के लिए जो आप भरपूर एंजॉय कर चुके हैं, और इन छोटी छोटी चीज़ों से अपने आप को दूर रखने के लिए हर एक मोमेंट को आप एंजॉय करें. कुछ भी हो, हर चीज़ में एक नयापन लाएं, एक कुछ हल्का फुल्का करें जिससे आप दोनों खुश रहें. मैं ये करता रहा हूँ, आप मुझसे बेहतर करते रहे हैं, और आप मुझसे बेहतर जानते हैं कि ये कैसे होता है. और सिर्फ आपको करना है अपनी ईगो को और अपने गुस्से को कंट्रोल में रखकर आपको एक अनकंडीशनल लव का माहौल बनाना है. इसके लिए मैंने आपके लिए एक गीतों भरा गुलदस्ता तैयार किया है जो आपको आपकी पुरानी यादें याद दिलाएगा और इन लम्हों को, उन्हीं यादों में एक नयापन देने की कोशिश करेगा. आपको याद है जब आपने पहली बार उनसे ये कहा था, आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे, दिल की ये धड़कन ठहर जा, मिल गई मंजिल मुझे, आपकी नजरों ने समझा. और जब उन्होंने पलट के ये कहा, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर, दिल चाहता है वो, कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे, पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो, एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर. और वो आपके अंदर का डर जब आपकी पहली बार जुबान पे आया, तेरा मेरा प्यार अमर, फिर क्यों मुझको लगता है डर, मेरे जीवन साथी बता, दिल क्यों धड़के रह कर, तेरा मेरा प्यार अमर, फिर क्यों मुझको लगता है डर। और जब तुम मिले तो वो झूम के गा उठे, बहारों फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। सितारों रागनी गाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है। और फिर वो नोक झोंक का दौर जो तब से आज तक बरकरार है, पर अब हम उसमें और मधुरता लाएंगे, क्योंकि हमने अभी अभी वादा किया है कि हम लोग अनकंडीशनल लव के प्रिंसिपल पे जिएंगे, लेकिन फिर भी उस स्पार्क को थोड़ा सा रहने देंगे। तुम रूठी रहो मैं मनाता रहूं, तुम रूठी रहो मैं मनाता रहूं, कि इन अदाओं पे और प्यार आता है, इन अदाओं पे और प्यार आता है। थोड़े शिकवे भी हो, कुछ शिकायत भी हो, थोड़े शिकवे भी हो, कुछ शिकायत भी हो, तो मजा जीने का और भी आता है, मजा जीने का और भी आता है। तुम रूठी रहो मैं मनाता रहूं, कि नदाओं पे और प्यार आता है और आता रहना चाहिए। और इसके बाद जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हम नवा।